Hello students, welcome to IE. In this session, we are going to describe or discuss the signum function. So let's get started about the signum function. So as you see, the signum function is also denoted by SGN of t. So what is this signum function? Signum function, actually the equation of the signum function, it is a special type of signal or function. So this signum function is defined by the value of this signum function is 1 at t greater than 0 and 0 at time t is equals to 0 and minus 1 at time less than equals to 0. So this is the mathematical equation of a signum function, and in this signum function what you can see, so if we want to draw the graph of a signum function, the signum function graphs looks like this. So this is the time t axis and this is the signum t, that is the signal that we are going to draw. So you can see when the t is equals to 0, the value of the signum function is 0, and when the time t is greater than 0, the value is 1. So let us say the value 1 is here. So for t greater than 0 means for the positive time axis the value will be 1, and when the time less than 0, that is minus 1. So for the negative axis of the time it will have a value of minus 1. If it is minus 1, then the value looks like this. So ultimately the function will look like this. So this is the function of the SGNT. Now ये जो SGNT आप देख रहे हैं, so this is a very special function SGNT, where the value of SGNT is positive for the positive value of t and negative 1 for the negative value of t, and at t equals to 0 the value is 0. Now suppose if we want to express this signum function using the unit step function. So let us express this signum function using the unit step function. That means we want to express the signum t function with respect to ut, that is means unit step function. So for that purpose, what we know, what is ut? So if we want to draw the ut, so let us draw the ut first. So ut, this is the time axis, and first we are going to draw the ut. So as you know, the ut value at t equals to 0, that is undefined, and for greater than equals to t greater than equals to 0 means for the positive axis of the time the ut value is 1. You know that. So at t equals to 0, it is the value of ut is undefined. So यहाँ पे मेरा 1, and for t less than 0 time the value of ut is 0. So this is the graph of or the functional representation or graphical representation of ut. Now using this graphical representation we want to draw this signum function. So for that purpose what we do, so let us time reverse this ut. So if we time reverse this ut, what will happen? So the graph will look like this. So this is my ut. So this is my ut. Now we want to find the u of minus t. So what will be u of minus t? So for that purpose u of minus t. So u of minus t will look like this. So for that purpose you know it will be the mirror representation of this ut with respect to this y-axis. So that means the curve will look like this. So this is the one value. So this you can see this is the u of minus t, u of t. Now what we will do, if we put a negative sign or negative 1 before the ut, so what will happen? That means let us draw the value of minus of ut. Minus of ut. So what will be the graph like this? U of minus of ut. So this is ut. So this is the amplitude scaling, मतलब यहाँ पे मैंने -1 डाला है. So this graph, ये जो ग्राफ ऑफ u ऑफ माइनस t है, सो यहाँ पे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, माइनस u ऑफ माइनस टी। सो दैट मीन्स जो टाइम रिवर्सल निकाला था उस टाइम रिवर्सल का मैं एम्पलीट्यूड स्केलिंग कर रहा हूं नेगेटिव साइन डाल के। सो दैट मीन्स द ग्राफ विल लुक लाइक दिस। यहाँ पे जो +1 था वो हो जाएंगे -1 पे, फिर ये 0 पे आ जाएगा। सो दिस विल बी द ग्राफ। नाउ ये जो ग्राफ नंबर 1 है, सो ये जो ग्राफ है ut और माइनस ऑफ u ऑफ माइनस टी, ये जो ग्राफ, ये दोनों ग्राफ को अगर मैं ऐड करूंगा तो आपको ये वाला ग्राफ आएगा, क्योंकि t लेस देन 0 के लिए यहाँ पे वैल्यू 0 और t लेस देन 0 के लिए यहाँ पे वैल्यू -1। यहाँ पे t ग्रेटर देन 0 के लिए क्या है ut, ये वाला 1 वैल्यू, और t ग्रेटर देन 0 के लिए ये वाले ग्राफ माइनस u ऑफ u माइनस t, इसके लिए ग्राफ कितना है ये वाला ग्राफ। सो ये दोनों ग्राफ को अगर ऐड करेंगे, ये वाला ग्राफ और ये वाले ग्राफ को अगर ऐड करेंगे तो आपको ये वाला वैल्यू आएगा। सो दैट मीन्स वी कैन से दैट द सिग्नम फंक्शन कैन बी रिटन एज ut माइनस u ऑफ माइनस t। सो ये दोनों फंक्शन को मैंने ऐड किया और यहाँ पे नेगेटिव साइन था, उसको मैंने यहाँ पे प्लस था, प्लस माइनस हो गया, माइनस हो गया। तो ये मेरा रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ सिग्नम फंक्शन विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू द यूनिट स्टेप फंक्शन। नाउ ये जो u ऑफ माइनस टी है, ये जो u ऑफ माइनस टी, दिस u ऑफ माइनस टी को मैं क्या लिख सकता हूं, दिस u ऑफ माइनस टी को मैं लिख सकता हूं ut, और इसको मैं लिख सकता हूं 1 माइनस, अब देखिए यहां पे क्या था ये वाला फंक्शन। सो ये जो फंक्शन है, इस फंक्शन को क्या लिख सकते हैं u ऑफ माइनस टी को। अब देखिए मेरा जो 1 फंक्शन है, सपोज आई हैव अ ग्राफ लाइक दिस t, or suppose I have a graph which has a value of 1. So what will be the graph? So it will look like this and the value is 1. Now इस xt equals to 1 से मैं अगर ut को subtract करता हूं तो क्या आएगा? So that means if we want to draw a graph like this where xt minus ut, where xt equals to 1. So from this graph, so if I subtract xt minus ut where xt equals to 1, then the graph will look like this. तो यहां पे ये वाला ग्राफ आएंगे। नाउ ये जो ग्राफ है यही तो मेरा u ऑफ माइनस टी था, सेम ग्राफ, सेम ग्राफ। सो दैट मीन्स ये xt का वैल्यू क्या था 1, सो 1 माइनस ut का ग्राफ क्या होगा, that is nothing but u of minus t. So that means I can write it as 1 minus u of t. So that means if I do that, so ut here minus plus ut. So that means यहाँ पे -1 plus 2 of ut. So ultimately मेरा जो सिग्नम फंक्शन आया, सिग्नम फंक्शन that will be -1 plus 2 of ut. So this is the representation of signum function using the unit step function, that is signum function is equals to -1 plus 2 of ut. Another thing is that ये जो signum function आपके पास है, ये signum function का मेन काम क्या होता है? Actually ये जो signum function है, this signum function actually provides 90-degree phase shift to the signal. So what we can write that ये जो signum function है, this signum function provides 90-degree phase shift to the signal. So this is the main importance of a signum function. So signum function का जो मैंने यहाँ पे explanation किया, आप देख सकते हैं कि पहले मैंने signum function का mathematical equation लिखा, उसके बाद मैंने graphical representation, then what we have done, we have represented the signum function using the unit step function. Then we have discussed about what is the importance of this signum function, which will provide a phase shift of 90-degree to the signal. So this is all about the signum function. Hopefully you have enjoyed the video and thank you for watching the video.